Good day mga kabaro, I Cadet Merrill D. Rosales. This video demonstrates the proper delivery of distress, urgency, and safety messages in accordance with the IMO Standard Marine Communication. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is motor vessel Blue Ocean, call sign DOAB, MMISI 123456789. Mayday Blue Ocean, our position is 14 degrees 20 minutes north, 120 degrees 35 minutes east. We are on fire in the engine room. Fire is out of control. There are 24 persons on board. We require immediately assistance. We are preparing to abandon the ship. Over. Pan. This is motor vessel Blue Ocean, call sign DOAB, MMMSI 123456789. Our position is 14 degrees 20 minutes north, 120 degrees 35 minutes east. We have engine failure and are not under command. There are 24 persons on board. We require towing assistance. Over. Security. This is motor vessel Blue Ocean, call sign DOAB, all stations. Floating debris reported in position 14 degrees 25 minutes north, 120 degrees 40 minutes east. Vessel in the vicinity are advised to navigate with caution. Over.